she's sweet but a psycho, a little bit psycho. At night she's screaming, I'm on my mind. Oh, she's hot but a psycho, so left but she's right though. At night she's screaming, I'm on my mind. She'll make you curse, but she a blessing. She'll rip your shirt, within a second you'll be coming back.
Hey guys, welcome back. Okay, we just got out of school. Hi. Oh, bye. And it's cold. It really is cold. This is my best friend. I actually kind of. Do we have anything to talk about? I just spit. Oh, I was like, gonna confront. Ah! Why do you sound like a dog? Benny! Oh god, I was kidding. Let's wait. Come on the vlog. My neighbor.
Hey, bro, I just put on. Bro, I saw you on video, bro. So watch out, I'm suing them, get a couple K.
You're not gonna sue us. We're putting this in the vlog, just letting you know.
Shout out.
Oh gosh.
How do you
hold it.
How did you do that?
Okay.
You just stopped it right now.
No, I didn't.
Alright, guys, we are doing a major giveaway. Since we just hit 7 subscribers, we're gonna give away M&M's. All right. So if you want him, comment below in the section, and we will pick one of you 7 subscribers. All right. Leave a like. Let's try to get 7 likes.
And how are we gonna ship them to him?
Well, if they come to our school, then we can just give it to them. But yeah, it's just simple like that. Peep the weather though. Like, this type of weather makes you want to cuddle with someone, like, doesn't it, or what? I know you want to cuddle with a guy, but alright, I'm gonna give it back to them.
Emma. It's cold. I really hope the expensive guy's not here today, because I want to buy chips and ice cream.
I don't have
I'm
money.
about to report you guys. Music on my ears, dude.
Here.
Oh, I know your name. Oh, I think you're very popular at school.
I am.
He's so. Oh god.
Oh, I think I know it. Yeah.
There's hair that keeps going in my mouth. It's kind of gross. Don't step in the puddle.
Are you for real about walking me to me in my car or what? I know, like I'm your favorite, like, you know, YouTuber and all that, but.
Okay, bye, Benny. So, Benny just left. Ice cream.
I used to be a kid.
Okay, we don't have to run. We don't have to. Remember? Did you watch the video? We're getting ice cream. Ice cream and chips. Jesus. Okay. What? Get it.
Go.
Look, say hi to the vlog.
I don't care about your stupid. I'm just kidding.
It's okay. When can I cross?
Go.
Jesus. Okay. You do not call me that. You're not allowed to call me that. Nope. Remember when I hit my head on the door that one time? I wasn't there, but I was told about it, so yeah. Oh my god, same. Let's put Tanya in the vlog. I don't think she's been in the vlog before. This is our friend Tanya.
Okay, I'll leave you.
Okay, she's bye. Hey, are you guys doing volleyball? Tell me why I look like a little boy. No. 3. Ha! Got it. See? Uh-huh. They're getting snack. Yeah.
And then you have to trade your ice cream.
You're trying to steal my ice cream. Do you like my art? I know, I heard. That's why I was laughing. ASMR. Not sponsored. How do I stop it? Bye! I should go subscribe to our YouTube.
You guys actually have one of you posting this on Snap.
Why would we post this on Snap?
I don't know, a lot of people do
Where'd it go? What else did you do? We are out here in the pouring rain, man. Vlog while it's raining. Let's make a deal. Rumpelstiltskin, she want to see my purple pickle lip. It's raining so much. I can't. Look, it's RJ. RJ.
What?
Oh my god, they disappeared from over there.
So Isabel left and we didn't get to do an outro. So me and Amaya are gonna do it.
Yeah.
Because Alita's not giving us her umbrella. No, because you're not giving us your umbrella.
Okay, bye. Go keep walking in the rain. Am I staying here?
Thank you guys so much for watching.
Bye.
Make sure you like and subscribe. And it's windy as heck. I'm walking without y'all. It's too cold for this. I just cussed my hand. Okay, well, that's it. Freaking Isabel left me.